Let's try Ghirardelli dark chocolate brownie mix. Better chocolate, better brownies. We also need egg, water, vegetable oil, mixing bowl and a fork, grease pan. We also need to preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. To start with, crack the egg in a medium bowl. Add water and vegetable oil. Stir until fully mixed. Add the brownie mix and stir. until it becomes well blended. Pour and spread in prepared pan. Bake in the oven cool completely in pan before cutting. Get ready to serve and enjoy the Better Chocolate, Better Brownies Ghirardelli chocolate.